I've been using lip tools for years and my lips are perfectly fine. Now what I really like about this one is I've gotten a lot more plumpiness to my lips than the other ones that I have used. I'm going to put my lips on, but I'm not going to breathe in any air with it. I'm going to squeeze and let go as soon as I feel my lips tugging right in the spot. With 2 minutes, you can see that my lips got very plump. I'm going to show you guys with 3 minutes. You want to make sure that your lips are very moisturized, very hydrated. You don't want to drink any caffeinated beverages that is gonna prevent your lips from enlarging and plumping, and those things actually cause your lips to deflate faster. This is without lipstick, guys. Like, look how amazing my lips look. Like, I look like I just went and got my lips done.
The CandyLipz Lip Plumper is a one-of-a-kind. It is a hand-operated lip enhancer powered by an ancient Chinese cupping suction technique that uses negative pressure to enlarge the lips. CandyLipz has a flexible silicone bladder built with a specific firmness, safe for lip enhancement. This element allows users to compress and release the plumper at comfortable levels. Lips are enhanced in compartmentalized fixed volume. CandyLipz has a built-in patented extreme lip shaper system designed to work on 15 anatomical lip zones, including the philtral column and corners of the mouth. You can create 2 fun looks, single-lobed and double-lobed. The double-lobed look creates a cute dent on the lower lip. The central platform has many functions. It compartmentalizes the upper and lower lips. It is a blocker holder, allowing users the option to work on each lip separately if desired. The central platform is necessary for evening out grooves along the underside of the upper lip, and it keeps the top of the lower lip from overexpanding. The upper chamber has a curvaceous arch which includes the formation of the Cupid's bow. The back wall and slit reduce negative pressure strength. These elements slow the enlargement process as the upper lip tends to expand faster than the lower lip. CandyLipz is not a tube. Engineered elements work in concert, guiding the lips to form beautifully and smoothly in each and every lip enhancement session. Fun and easy to use anytime and anywhere.